We got a pretty good variety this week. Let's take a look and see if we can't sell y'all something. Bobcat T200 with 4,000 hours, 16.5. Canicom S25A, little tracked off-road dumper, 180-degree dump, 250 hours on that thing, 45,000. Bobcat MT85 with 1,900 hours, 13.5. S570 Bobcat with about 1,600 hours, 18.5. Takeuchi TSV 50 with about 3,300 hours or so, 15.5. T740 Bobcat with about 2,200 hours, 28,000. E57C New Holland with only a little over 300 hours, 54,000. KX040-4 Kubota with about 2,900 hours, angle blade hydraulic thumb, 28,000. 331 Bobcat with about 4,000 hours, 17.5. 303 CCR Caterpillar with about 4,000 hours, 26,000. 17Z-9A Hyundai with hydraulic thumb, 18,000. Kubota L3130, 5,000. New Chinese mini skid steers, 5,000 to 6,500. This is our last Chinese mini excavator in stock right now. We'll do this one for 5,500, and we got a few more coming in tomorrow. Cat 314 ELCR with about 4,000 hours, 58,000.